Hey peeps, we are Team 4%. Here we are to bridge a crucial gap which every engineering team would love to invest. Every organization has technical code reviews, architectural design, and so many reviews, but the decisions that trigger all of them are made in Slack messages. Those decisions are rarely considered discussion, previous commitments, so many dependencies. We believe many engineering problems actually begin with inconsistent decision. Like a code editor has an inbuilt compiler which validates your code before deployment, so here we are to validate your decision with AI-powered decision review assistant that validates every important decision against your organization existing knowledge before a single line of code is written. Imagine somewhere in the middle of the conversation, I say we are going to migrate our primary database to Kubernetes next quarter. It looks like a minor change as of now. In the heat of discussion, everyone nods without worrying about the consequences being lined up. So, what if we had a compiler which validates our decision against the organization knowledge? I guess there are no more what ifs because we have built meet at compiler. The same decision I thought of nodding S in the heat of the conversation, this tool made me to revalidate my decision. So here, as you can see, it has given me what are the confirmed gaps and also flagged few things for the human review. So it can actually sit with me to revalidate all the decision before even it reaches the requirement document. I simply say the most expensive production bugs are not the coding bugs, they are the context bugs, which is due to the broken decision and requirements are taken. I guess our compiler helps you to catch them before being implemented. Now, you might be wondering what actually happens behind the scenes. The moment I submit my decision, compiler transforms my plain English message into a structured decision. Like it understands the objective, actors, timeline, dependencies, etc. Like think of it like a converting an unstructured, broken decision into something the system can actually reason about. Once this is done, all my validations work parallelly and simultaneously. Like one checks for engineering capacity and related work, where other checks for previous engineering decision and milestones to look for, like where other check for the hidden dependencies and other even searches in previous lab discussion, like weren't there someone who discussed about this earlier? Finally, my AI powered risk analyzer evaluates my technical product infrastructure, legal, and timeline risk that could arise from this decision I took. We cannot blindly trust an AI because every finding is classified based on confidence. Yes, we have brought a confidence factor, like it is backed with real evidence, not just a phrase from an agent. Like it can reason, like you have said so in this chat, so that is why this would create an impact. Also, it never mixes assumption with facts. And once the report is ready, we won't stop here. It can create linear tickets, you can share your thread, and also you can recompile for few edge cases. Under the hood, we have integrated with GitHub, Notion, Slack through a unified MCP connect layer. It supports multiple AI models. So just like programming, which catches error before coding reaches your production, my compiler would catch missing context, hidden dependencies, and overlook risk before organizational decisions become engineering problems. Because in the end, the goal is not to replace human judgment. It is to ensure every important decision is made with a complete context and evidence. I truly thank you for this wonderful opportunity and would love to get awesome feedbacks from you for this great product. Thank you once again.